Welcome to my channel Crazy to Learn. This is the second part of the numerical problem related to the Newton's laws of motion. Let's start. A force of 5 Newton acts on a body of weight 9.8 Newton. What is the acceleration produced in meter per second square? Options are 49.8, 5.0, 1.96, 0.51. First note down the given things. What we will get? Weight W is equal to mg, which is equal to 9.8 Newton, and force F is equal to ma, which is equal to 5 Newton. And we know value of small g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So when we will put the value of g in the value of W, we will get W is equal to mg, m into 9.8. So small m is equal to 9.8 divided by 9.8 is equal to 1. And now we will put the value of small m in the formula of F. We know F is equal to ma. F is given to you 5, and you know m is equal to 1 into a. So value of small a is equal to 5 divided by 1, which is equal to 5 meter per second square. So option B is the correct one. The problem is given to you. A rocket of mass 1000 kg has exhaust gases at a rate of 4 kg per second with a velocity 3000 meter per second. The thrust developed on the rocket is. So first note down the given thing. The exhaust gas velocity V is equal to 3000 meter per second, and the mass of the gas exhaust m is equal to 4 kg per second. So it is asked to you to calculate the thrust developed on the rocket. The thrust developed is equal to change in momentum per second. We know from the Newton's second law of motion, the applied external force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. So F proportional to dp by dt. So the thrust change in momentum per second, if you change is time, when you will take change in time is equal to 1 second. So F is equal to dp, the thrust is a change in momentum. So mass into velocity, the mass of gas. The mass of gas is given to you 4 kg. It exhausts 4 kg of gas in 1 second. So mass is equal to 4 kg per second. In 1 second it exhausts 4 kg of gas. So in the place of m we will put 4, and velocity is equal to 3000. So what is the answer? 12,000 Newton. As thrust is given to you, the unit is Newton. The answer is 12,000 Newton. Option A is the correct one. The next question is, a bullet of mass 10 gram is fired from a gun of mass 1 kg. If the recoil velocity is 5 meter per second, the velocity of the muzzle is 0.05 meter per second, 5 meter per second, 50 meter per second, or 500 meter per second. to solve this problem, you have to know about the law of conservation of energy or law of conservation of momentum. So according to the law of conservation of momentum, before and after both the momentums are same. So first note down the given things. What we have? The mass of the gun. If you will take capital M as the mass of the gun is equal to 1 kg. Recoil velocity. Recoil velocity means it is the velocity of the gun. V is equal to 5 meter per second. Mass of bullet, you can take it is a small m, is equal to 10 gram. So as it is, the mass of the gun is given to you as in the form of kg, and here it is given to you in gram. They are different system units, so you have to convert both the unit to the same system. So we will convert the gram to kg. So we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So 10 gram is equal to 10 by 1000 kg. We will get 0.01 kg. So 10 gram is equal to 0.01 kg. So now according to the law of conservation of momentum, the mass of the gun into velocity of the gun, that means the recoil velocity, is equal to the mass of the bullet into what is the asked to you, velocity of the muzzle. We can take this as small v. So according to the law of conservation of momentum, the mass of the gun into recoil velocity of the gun is equal to the mass of the bullet into velocity of the muzzle. So this we will get from the law of conservation of momentum. Now put the values. Capital M is equal to 1 into velocity is equal to 5. Mass of the bullet small m is equal to 0.01, and this velocity is the velocity of the muzzle. So we don't know that value, so we will put small b, and it is asked to you to find the value of small b. So value of small b is equal to 5 into 1, 5 divided by 0.01. So if we will solve it, we will get 500 meter per second, which is your answer. So option D is the correct one. The next problem is a body of mass 8 kg is moved by a force F is equal to 3x Newton, where x is distance covered. Initial position is x is equal to 2 meter and the final position is equal to x is equal to 10 meter. The initial speed is 0 meter per second. The final speed is 6 meter per second, 12 meter per second, 18 meter per second or 14 meter per second. So note down the given things first. The force F is given to you 3x Newton, and we know that W is equal to F ds. W work done, F is equal to F dot ds. You know it. So work done, W is equal to F. Here the ds, F dot ds, where ds represent the displacement. But in this given question, the displacement is written as x. Distance or displacement x is given to you. So for this problem we will write W is equal to F dx. Okay. So integrate both sides. What will you get? Integration W work done W is equal to integration of W f dx, and the dx limit is from the initial is 2 meter and the final is 10 meter. So we will maintain the limit from 2 to 10, and the value of f is 3x dx, integration from 2 to 10. So when you integrate 3x dx, what will you get? You will get 3x square. What is the power of x? 1. We know that the integration of x and dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So similar way, here we will get for 3x, x power 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3x square divided by 2, and the limit is from 2 to 10. Okay, so when we will put the values, we will get 3 by 2 10 square minus 3 by 2 2 square. If we will take common 3 by 2, we will get 10 square minus 2 square, which is equal to 3 by 2 100 minus 4, which is equal to 3 by 2 into 96. This is the amount of work done, which is, we can write the unit as joule, amount of work done, and we know that the amount of work done W is equal to change in kinetic energy, which is equal to half mv square. W is equal to change in kinetic, which is equal to half mv square, and the mass of the body is given to you 8 kg, and the value of W we already got it. To put the value of W, the value of W is 3 by 2 into 96, which is equal to change in kinetic energy, which is equal to half mv square, half into m. What is the value of m here? Value of m is 8 kg. This is the different thing. So 8 into v square. So solve this thing. What will you get? Cancel both sides. 4. This is 48. When you take 4 this side, what will you get? V square is equal to 3 into 48 divided by 4. So 4 48 cancel, will get 12, which is equal to v square is equal to 36. So v is equal to root over 36, we will get 6 meter per second. This is your answer. So option A is the correct one. The final speed, as initial speed is given to you 0. So at the initial position the body at rest. After that the final speed it is asked to you calculate. So the work done W is equal to change in kinetic energy, which is equal to half mv square. If initial speed is given to you something different, then it will be different. But as here the initial speed is given to you 0, so the work done is equal to half mv square. We can proceed as solved here. Otherwise we have to do something different. Okay. So the final velocity v is equal to 6 meter per second. Clear?